How developed do you think Earth's civilization as compared to the vast universe? In fact, if we classify space civilizations into levels from 1 to 7, Earth is still at level 0.7, making it a very immature civilization. So, what are the characteristics of other civilization levels? In this discussion, we will explain how Earth's civilization could evolve to reach level 7. Additionally, we will talk about an observed level 2 space civilization. You might think that space civilizations are just a topic for science fiction. However, many scientists, including Stephen Hawking, have stated that aliens exist. The Milky Way galaxy, where we reside, contains at least 100 billion stars. Among them, more than 10 billion planets have elements similar to Earth. It is believed that at least 100 of these planets in the Milky Way alone have favorable conditions for civilization development. Since there are about 2 trillion galaxies in the universe, the possibility of over 200 trillion civilizations existing arises. In other words, aliens likely exist, but we just haven't noticed them yet. So, what exactly is a space civilization? Kardashev Scale, the classification of space civilizations. In 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev proposed the Kardashev Scale, a system that classifies space civilizations based on energy consumption levels from 1 to 3. Later, further studies added levels 4 through 7. The final 7-tier Kardashev Scale has become a standard for understanding what kind of technologies civilizations possess. Thanks to this scale, scientists have been able to consider what to observe in order to detect space civilizations. It also provides insights into how Earth's civilization might develop in the future. Now, let's take a closer look at civilization levels 1 through 7 and what each stage represents. The current state of Earth. Let's first examine the current stage of Earth's civilization. The primitive era, when humans first started using fire, is considered level 0.1. The Edo period 1603 to 1868 in Japan is around level 0.6. Modern society is still at level 0.7. Since we still rely on burning fossil fuels like oil and gas to generate energy, the amount of energy we can produce is relatively low. Despite how convenient Earth may seem, from a cosmic perspective, we have not even reached level 1. Space is vast. A level 0 civilization, like Earth's, is vulnerable to natural disasters such as typhoons, tsunamis, and earthquakes, which could potentially collapse the entire civilization. Thus, the primary goal of a level 0 civilization is to control nature. Level 1 Planetary civilization. A level 1 civilization is called a planetary civilization. At this stage, all planetary energy, including typhoons and earthquakes, can be harnessed. This solves most energy problems, with the ability to control planetary natural forces. Disasters such as typhoons can be neutralized. For example, a powerful storm could be reduced to a gentle breeze at the flick of a switch. Additionally, rainfall could be controlled, preventing droughts and solving food shortages. Moreover, the advancement of quantum mechanics, particularly through nuclear power research, will lead to the widespread use of quantum internet. This technology, based on quantum entanglement, will allow people anywhere on the planet to access information instantaneously. Quantum entanglement refers to a phenomenon where particles, even if separated by vast distances, influence each other instantaneously. With this, information exchange across the world would become instantaneous. Even in dictatorship or deep-sea locations, information will be equally accessible to everyone. If things go well, the entire planet may unite as a single civilization. Scientific advancements fueled by global cooperation will accelerate medical progress. As a result, regenerative medicine will become a reality, and lifespans are expected to exceed 200 years. A 200-year lifespan means that people from the Edo period would still be alive today. Imagine living alongside historical figures. What an incredible world that would be. Earth is expected to reach level 1 planetary civilization in about 200 years. While this sounds like a dream world, where energy problems are solved and medical technology thrives, a planetary civilization is still at risk of extinction when the planet itself reaches its end. For example, Earth is predicted to be swallowed by the Sun in about 5 billion years. Even entrepreneur Elon Musk has stated that, in order to ensure the survival of Earth's civilization, humanity must migrate to other planets. Therefore, a level 1 civilization will naturally seek to explore space. Level 2 stellar civilization. A level 2 civilization is capable of harnessing the entire energy output of a star, like our Sun. But how can an entire stellar energy source be utilized? American astrophysicist Freeman Dyson proposed an innovative concept. A level 2 civilization could surround a star with a structure known as a Dyson sphere, a vast shell of solar panels to capture its energy. Even if the Dyson sphere were made of solar panels, just 1 meter wide, the energy collected in 1 second would be billions of times more than Earth's current total energy consumption. With a Dyson sphere, it seems like an almost infinite energy supply could be obtained. Additionally, a stellar civilization can control stars themselves. This means they have the technology to split, shrink, or merge stars. The larger a star is, the shorter its lifespan. This is because nuclear fusion accelerates under higher gravity. For instance, the Sun's lifespan is about 10 billion years. A star 10 times the size of the Sun would burn out in only 100 million years. A stellar civilization could extend the lifespan of a star by adjusting its size appropriately. This is similar to managing water flow in a hydroelectric dam, using it as needed. With this technology, an entire solar system becomes the civilization's domain. Space travel between planets becomes common, and humans will migrate to Mars and Jupiter's moons. Moreover, massive space stations will be constructed to accommodate large populations. However, interplanetary travel still takes a long time. Thus, for biological humans, lifespan limitations make space travel impractical. To overcome this, a stellar civilization may advance in cyborg integration or consciousness digitization by eliminating lifespan limitations and eradicating diseases. A stellar civilization would create immortal scientists, continuously advancing technology. As a result, asteroid mining will provide unlimited resources, and automation will eliminate the need for traditional labor. In this utopian world, people will finally gain true freedom. But does such a stellar civilization actually exist? On May 6, 2024, a research team from Uppsala University analyzed data from the Milky Way and identified 7 celestial bodies that could potentially be Dyson spheres. These objects are so far away that they appear only as black dots from Earth. However, if further observations confirm their nature, we might be on the verge of proving the existence of stellar civilizations. Humanity is predicted to reach a level 2 stellar civilization in about 100,000 years. Level 3 galactic civilization. A galactic civilization is one that can utilize the energy of an entire galaxy. Such a civilization can harness energy from billions of stars within its galaxy. It is also expected to develop technology that allows it to extract energy from black holes through their rotational energy. To control black holes, anti-gravity technology must be developed. If this technology becomes a reality, it would allow for the construction of Earth-sized computers or even solar system-sized space stations. Currently, no massive structures have been detected in our solar system, suggesting that a galactic civilization does not exist nearby. However, somewhere in the galaxy, a civilization may have already reached this level. The development of galactic civilizations requires astonishing technological advancements. Once beings transition to mechanical bodies, they may face the problem of physical destruction. To overcome this, a galactic civilization will pursue the separation of consciousness from the body. At this stage, the inhabitants of a galactic civilization no longer require physical forms. Instead, their consciousness is digitized, existing as pure data. Without physical bodies, these beings can travel freely through space, spreading their existence as information across the entire galaxy. A civilization at this stage can manage the entire galaxy and utilize knowledge and energy without limitation. Additionally, advancements in galactic civilization technology could make faster than light travel possible through wormholes. This means that instantaneous travel across the entire galaxy would become a reality. However, even a galactic civilization has challenges. Because their consciousness exists as information, they may become vulnerable to external attacks or data corruption. To further evolve, such civilizations will begin seeking ways to merge with the universe itself. Level 4 Universal Civilization. A universal civilization is no longer confined to a single galaxy. It becomes capable of controlling the entire universe. Such a civilization can connect all galaxies and share and regulate energy and information on a universal scale. The most defining feature of a universal civilization is that it is completely free from physical limitations. Their consciousness expands throughout the entire universe, existing in the form of quantum information. Because they control all physical laws, they could create new planets and even generate new life. At this level, civilization ceases to exist as individual entities. It becomes one with the universe itself. They gain the ability to manipulate the very birth and end of the universe, making them the ultimate beings. However, this level of existence raises a new question. What is the purpose of evolution? If they can control everything, will they lose all sense of meaning in their existence? To seek answers, some factions within the universal civilization may start exploring even higher dimensions. Level 5 Multidimensional Civilization. At this level, a civilization transcends the three-dimensional space we perceive and begins interacting with higher dimensions. Beings of a multidimensional civilization can manipulate time and space freely. They can travel to the past or future at will, and every possible reality becomes accessible to them. Additionally, they can access other universes. The idea that countless other universes exist, the multiverse theory, would be proven by them. This level of civilization suggests an interesting possibility. The beings that we perceive as gods may actually be multidimensional beings, since they can create new universes and bring life into existence. It's possible that our universe was also created by them. However, even these beings face a new challenge. Who created us? To answer this, some members of the multidimensional civilization will seek even greater levels of existence. Level 6 Creator Civilization. A civilization that reaches this stage is no longer bound by time or space. They have the power to create and control everything. At this level, they can design entire universes at will. They can establish new physical laws and experiment with infinite possibilities. Moreover, they can generate new life forms and observe the evolution of civilizations. At this stage, they become beings very similar to gods. However, Even a creator civilization faces a fundamental question. Why do we exist? Even though they can create anything, they may find that everything feels meaningless. Is there an even higher stage of evolution? Or is this the final level? The answer to that will depend on the continued exploration of the creator civilization.